In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Whop. Changing your username is a simple way to keep your profile up to date and make it easier for people to recognize you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for on the screen. First, open your browser and go to the Whop website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're signed in, you should land on your Whop home dashboard. This is the main page where you see your feed, purchases, and other activity. Make sure you're on this dashboard before moving on, because the menu options we need appear here. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, which might show your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu related to your account. When that menu appears, look for a small gear icon. The gear symbol usually represents settings, and it may appear right next to your profile details in the drop-down. Click on the gear icon to open your account settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your profile. On the settings page, you'll be in the general settings section for your account. Here, you'll see a field for your name, and just below that, you'll see a separate field labeled for your username. This is the one we want to edit. Click directly into the username field. When you click, your current username will be highlighted or your cursor will appear inside the box, ready for you to make changes. Now, type in the new username you'd like to use. Take a moment to choose something that's easy to remember and that represents you or your brand. Keep in mind that usernames are often unique, so if the one you want is already taken, Whop may prompt you to pick a different variation. Also, avoid special characters if the platform doesn't allow them. Once you're happy with your new username, look for the Save Changes button on the page. This is usually located below the fields you just edited. Click on Save Changes to apply your new username. After saving, your profile will update, and your new